Well, this week, Minnesota is putting the spotlight on the state's manufacturers for employing more than 300,000 people and contributing $43 billion to the economy.
In this week's Business Matters, a Plymouth company is seeing double-digit growth in its manufacturing business, and it might surprise you to find where the demand is coming from.
Any manufacturing environment uses our types of products.
At Banner Engineering in Plymouth, machines run around the clock to manufacture sensors and other lighting components used in factory equipment. Even the equipment they use has their own product in it.
So we actually build the sensors, sell them to this company, and then we end up with a piece of equipment with our own sensors on it.
Business is doing very well for us right now, yes.
In the last 2 years alone, Banner Engineering has increased its local staff by about 20%, with 430 employees currently working in Plymouth.
Domestically, probably our largest market is automotive. Any of the factories that produce cars will be using our sensors.
This is where we actually package all the material up to go out to our customers.
While this company ships its products around the world to countries including Germany, China, and Canada, 60% of its business is domestic. And that's where Banner is seeing its largest growth this year, including in the pharmaceutical industry.
There is a trend towards regional manufacturing, where you are trying to put manufacturing and distribution close to where your customers are to facilitate quick deliveries.
That bodes well for this company that currently has 19 local job openings and doesn't foresee a slowdown.
We're planning for growth, and I think that's part of what's exciting about our business.
Banner Engineering employs 1,100 people worldwide. It is headquartered in Plymouth.